Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to LOPO TV. We just released sublimation face mask and bandana a few months ago. We got a lot of good feedbacks from our customers that encourage us to develop more new products. Today, I'm going to share with you our new product, Gaiter with ear loops. The material is 100% polyester, which is perfect for sublimation. It's super soft, skin-friendly, breathable, and stretchable. It can be a face mask and a neck gaiter to protect your face and your neck from sun, wind, sand, dust. Keep cool in summer, keep warm in winter. The size is 44 by 26 centimeters. It's fit for most adult women and men. Okay, let's get started for printing. Here are heat tape, printed paper, blank neck gaiter, Teflon pillow. This Teflon pillow is really important. Outside is Teflon, inside is high temperature sponge. It's really soft and can make even pressure. Here has the black trim and white trim, a little bit thicker than the other place. These places can print well without Teflon pillow. You can see here, just like this one, there are some printing marks here and here, so the Teflon pillow is really important to ensure the better printing effect. Here is a small tip. Let's preheat for 2 or 3 seconds to make the fabric totally flat. Okay, now do the preheat for 2 or 3 seconds. Now we cover the printed paper. Let's set the temperature 180 and 60 seconds. Okay, we finished the printing for one side. Right now, let's turn to the other side. We need to remove a little bit to the middle, like this. And cover the printed paper. Okay, finish the printing. Okay, let's check the printing result. You can see here, there is no gap here and no printing marks here. It's really beautiful, right? You can see the Teflon pillow help a lot. It's really comfortable to wear it. There are 2 ear loops here and just go around with your ears. If you don't want to put on your face, just surround on your neck. It still looks cool. It's really great for riding, hiking, and fishing, and also use as a sweat towel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.